Here's some tips on adding value to your home through a strategic renovation. The first thing purely comes down to data. When you're searching on realestate.com and you're typing in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms, 2, 3, 4 bathrooms, and however many cars, naturally, the more you've got, the higher it's going to rank in those particular search criteria. So if you're purchasing a 3-bedroom home and you're wanting to make it a 4-bedroom home, then you're going to be in that next price point for obviously the 4-bedroom home. So my first and foremost biggest suggestion to anyone wanting to add value into their property is look at how many bedrooms and bathrooms they can add for the most effective price possible, because ultimately that's going to put you in the higher price bracket with those more bedrooms, more bathrooms.